Here's how to contact seller in Eldorado.gg. So the first thing that you can do is to go to the Contact Us website of Eldorado.gg, and you will be able to see there is start a live chat where there is a 24/7 with any questions that you have about Eldorado. Afterwards, once you click on the start to live chat options, you'll be able to chat there with the seller or with the Eldorado live agent. You can go ahead and click on the send us message, and then afterwards, you'll be able to see there the contact live support. Now, it's up to you if you're going to select it and wait for a few seconds until the live support agent will assist you. The first thing that you have to do is to describe your issue to the best of your ability so that they can transfer you to the team. Afterwards, what you need to do is to discuss the problem that you're having with the seller, and Eldorado will give you the seller. The thing is, you can't contact the seller directly. You have to go to the customer care service or to the live chat, and then the Eldorado team will assist you with your problem.